In this video, discover the step-by-step process of removing Microsoft OneDrive from your system without risking any data loss. Whether you want to switch to a different cloud storage solution or simply prefer not to use OneDrive, I will guide you through the uninstallation process while ensuring that your files and data remain intact. By following these instructions, you can customize your Windows experience without compromising your important documents and files stored on OneDrive. Step 1. Open the Settings menu on your Windows 11 or 10 system. Step 2. Go to Apps or Apps and Features. Step 3. Locate and select Microsoft OneDrive from the list of installed programs. Step 4. Click on Uninstall and follow the on-screen prompts to remove OneDrive. Step 5. Your OneDrive files will remain in their current location on your computer and in the cloud. Step 6. If you want to delete local copies of OneDrive files, ensure they are backed up or synced to another location before uninstalling OneDrive. Step 7. Once the uninstallation is complete, restart your computer if prompted. Step 8. Your data stored in OneDrive online will still be accessible through the web interface or the OneDrive app, even after the local client is removed.